Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is really mainly for a plasma cutter, but if you're a laser owner, it could help you also. I've got this Clipart, and I'm just going to delete. I filled it in, and I'm not going to show you how to um, convert them to a bitmap because there's plenty of videos out there, and I've done many myself. But there's a couple things wrong with this drawing. Especially for a plasma cutter. That one would cut out with a laser, but this one is going to leave 3 holes. So you need to reduplicate those. And that's very easily done. And I always tell people keep in effect or in mind that it's your drawing. So I'm going to duplicate about the width. I'm going to round off the corners. I'm going to see if I can't, we'll round it off a little bit more where that node becomes 1. I'm going to take my shape tool. Well, then you need to take it and go up to a range and convert it to a curve. Then you can take these nodes and hopefully delete them. Or you know what, let's delete one of them. See what happens. Because you don't want it perfectly symmetrical. So on the other side, we will delete the other one. Let's see what happens. So we got something that's not quite symmetrical, but we need to put a little curve to it. So zoom in a little bit, take your shape tool, and about midway, double click, you'll add a node, select both those nodes, and then you can play around with it. Let's delete that node, see what happens. That looks pretty good. Let's see. That looks really pretty good. You don't want them perfect. And then just go and replace those two, and you don't want them identical. So we need to break the curve apart. So now we can delete that one and see it's actually 3 different pieces. And now just bring this one in, rotate it. Now let's delete this one. See this? It would have cut into 2 pieces. That would have been kind of catastrophic on a plasma cutter. We'll make that one a little bit big to make it different. Now this one would work, but I'd go ahead and reduplicate that. But for the video, I'm not going to do that. But the eye, I don't like this eye at all. I guess the fish is looking up. So I want to delete some of these nodes and just see if we can't get it better. Make this, turn these into a curve, and just round these edges off. And you could spend some time and do a lot better than I'm doing. There we go. That doesn't look too bad. And then fill it in black to see what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Your objects are a lot better. But stay tuned for part 2. I'm going to show you some problems with this particular drawing that could cause you trouble. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.